My favorite thing about working here is probably the benefits, the security for my family, and yeah, I've worked in other places before, and coming here was definitely a change. Like I said before, they seem to take really good care of you. The benefits are awesome, and the appreciation, it means a lot.
A typical work environment is fun. We joke, we laugh, we talk about sports, we talk about what's happening in the world. It's really a family atmosphere around here. I will tell you, if you really don't know what you want to do, you can come here and you can find a career.
One of the favorite things about working here at Jim Taylor Ford is the people. Even one of the salesmen here was actually a groomsman in my wedding. At Jim Taylor Ford, we try and be just as energetic and happy as possible. We try and be goofy, we try and have fun, and we just, try and promote the best business that we can. I mean, it's probably one of the best places I've worked at.
From service to sales to customer service.
Dependability, it's what we do.
Trust, it's what we do.
Community, it's what we do.
It's what we do.
It's what we do.
We're here for you. It's what we do.
Your future starts now. At Jim Taylor Auto Group, we're more than just a dealership. We're a family. With locations in Monroe, Rayville, and Ruston, we offer real career paths in sales, service, parts, management, and more. Imagine being part of a team that feels like a family. You're supported, valued, and given the tools to succeed in a career that can last a lifetime. We'd invest in our team, support our community, and create opportunities for you to thrive. Ready to take the driver's seat in your career? Join us at Jim Taylor Auto Group and start your journey today.